Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the background color of picture in Photopea software. So get let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see change the background color of picture. Now firstly, open the picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now select from picture. Now click for open. Now you can see then it show open the picture in Photopea software. Firstly, then it show picture in white background. Now firstly remove the background. Now going to the eraser tool option. Now select mouse click button. Now click from magic eraser option. Now select from the picture. That is. Now you can see then it show remove the background. Now we going to the select rectangle select option. Now select the background. Now click from layer option. Now you can see then it show the choose from color. Now select. Now click for open. Now keyboard press from Alt or backspace and layer the move. That is. Now you can see change background color of image in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.